Hello everyone, welcome to watch the FSTpipe installation training series videos. Today we will bring you the FSTpipe electric grooving machine operation. The materials and tools are aluminum pipe, electronical grooving machine, level instrument. Insert the aluminum pipe into the machine. Use a level instrument to measure the pipe. If it is not on a level line, adjust the rear end support to balance it. Loosen the locating lock. Press the handle to allow the recessed wheel to press against the outer surface of pipe. Adjust the limit nut scale to the desired groove height and lock. Start the power supply. Hold the aluminum pipe with right hand and press the handle slowly and continuously with the left hand to start the groove pipe. When finished, turn off the power, measure and check the diameter of the grooved pipe for conformity. As for stainless steel pipe, first add the professional spacer to the cam of the grooving machine, and then use the same way to groove the pipe.